Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make دولمة بالسلق meatball with spinach. I have small onion here. I minced it. I put it in the blender. I made it very thin. And here is garlic. I put 6 cloves of garlic. I minced them too. And I put only half. The rest I'm gonna use it for a meatball. Mix it well. I add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix it well. You have to saute it. I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil again. Keep mixing it. Make sure put the heat to medium on medium. And I have 2 tablespoons of parsley. Mix it. I have spice here, 1/3 teaspoon of pepper, 1/3 teaspoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon of paprika, half tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of chili powder. This is as you want the chili powder. It's a little bit hot. Just keep mixing it. Make sure don't burn the spices. Add a little bit of water so it doesn't burn. Keep mixing it. This is the fresh tomato, very minced. Mix it. Add another 1/3 cup of water, just for time being, to not to burn it. Let it cook a little bit, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because only spice and the onion. So make sure the heat is in medium. I have the olives. You wash it very well. Take the salt out because you put in the beginning the salt. And I put the chickpeas, from the can. Wash it well and just dump it there. Saute it all. And I have 2 cups of water. After you saute everything, add the 2 cups of water. Make sure the heat is not high. Mix it well. I add here half a cup of water, just to make sure. I like it. I don't like it dry, but I like some sauce in it. So just cover it and let it cook. This is very fast meal. Here I have spinach. Just put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have 4 cups of spinach. I cut them into pieces. Just saute it. And put it aside to cool off. We come here to make meatballs. I have ground beef here and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I have the garlic that left before when we made the sauce. I have breadcrumbs. I add in the beginning 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and half teaspoon of salt. And wherever you put the spice in the sauce, you put it with the meat. So whatever amount I put it, you're gonna add it to the meat, whatever spice. I have 1 egg here and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Mix it very well. See if it's very soft, the meat is watery a little, add more breadcrumbs. Just mix it well so the spice goes inside the meat. See, I have the spinach that we sauteed before, add it to the meat. If you don't want a big piece, just cut it very small if you want. See, it's whatever you desire, whatever you want. You don't have to do it exact what I did. you know, so mix it all together. Mine came a little bit, I need some breadcrumbs, see, and sometimes if it comes dry, add another second egg, so, you know. So I add 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. You can't miss in these things, you know. Just just make it into balls, put it on a plate, prepare it all. It's delicious. This meal is very fast, especially in Ramadan. It doesn't take you too much. I have a flour here. I put it in on a tray, and you don't have to touch it with your hands, you know, to put the flour on top. Just mix it, see? Just roll it like this on the flour. It's very easy. So all got the flour around them. Just put them on a different plate and go on until you do all of them. Say I finished all of them. It's very easy. Now prepare a little bit of oil, like cover the bottom of the frying pan. Let it, don't burn it, because you're gonna add it to the sauce. So the sauce is almost, see, the sauce is almost ready. Now I'm gonna fry the meatball. Make sure don't burn them. The heat has to be like medium low heat, you know, not too high, because it's gonna be, your meat is gonna cook fast, burn it, and then the sauce is gonna have the smell of the burn. So don't, just saute it like that. See, now they're ready. You finish the rest. See, it takes you like 45 minutes to prepare it, because it's not much to. I add another, because like I said, I add another half cup of water. I like it to be, it has a sauce a little. You can eat it with bread, delicious fresh bread, homemade bread, very nice. Now we have the sauce here. Like I said, don't put it on high heat. And I repeat again, the olives, you have to wash them very well to take the salt out. Otherwise, you're gonna have it very salty. Make sure don't put too much salt in the beginning, so maybe you forget or something. Just, and dump all those balls in the sauce. Don't mix it. Just dump them there and don't mix it, because you're gonna mush all the meatballs. Cover it and leave it for 5 minutes, so the sauce doesn't absorb, you don't lose all the sauce, so leave some sauce in it. This is good for with the bread, fresh bread, like I said, very nice. Now it's ready to serve. Whatever left, just put it on top, garnish it with parsley or mixed parsley and cilantro, whatever you desire. Et voila, we're finished. Time to eat. Delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thank you.